angrily left by the father. Once upon a time, a traveler was on his way back to Kyoto. He had many followers along with him. They came to a lonely village along the Hokoku Kaido. It was evening. Tired, they looked for a place to spend the night. At last, they came to a house where a woman lived all alone and were allowed to spend the night there. The next morning, the traveler and his followers got up early. When the traveler was about to set out, the woman, who was the owner, followed him. She stopped him and said, "You owe me 1,000 ryo. Pay it back before leaving." The traveler was shocked. The woman said, "I do not know the reason, but when my father was on his deathbed, he called me and told me that after 10 years, on this particular day of this month, a traveler would come from the north and spend the night here. He further told me that if I would tell this story to that traveler, he would probably give me 1,000 ryo in return." The traveler pays. The woman continued, "My father repeated his story and then died. I have been waiting for this day, and you came on that exact day and stayed overnight." The traveler nodded his head and said, "I understand what you are saying. Your father was a seer. He knew that I would come after 10 years, so he left you that message. I can return that money to you immediately." The truth was that the traveler himself was a famous seer. He went in again and walked through the entire house. He stopped in one of the rooms and approached a pillar. He tried to strike it. The pillar was hollow and thus produced a different sound. 1,000 ryo were hidden in it. The traveler took out the money and gave it to the woman. He then continued his journey to Kyoto. An honest servant. Long ago in Aoyama, there lived a rich samurai named Monosuke Zaemon. An honest servant had been working with him for years. It was the last day of the last month of the year. The year was about to end. The master sent his servant to Asakusa to collect 50 ryo. He had deposited his money there. The servant carefully put the money in a wallet and hung it around his neck. When he was returning home, he fell down on the road because it was so bad. He rushed to his master's house and hung his wallet above the door. Thereafter, he went to wash his hands that were soiled with the mud. After cleaning the hands, he went to meet his master. As soon as he was about to speak, he realized that he did not have his wallet. Quickly, he jumped up and ran out without saying a word, and ran to the gate of Gyokuryuji. The wallet. When the servant reached the gate, it appeared that nobody had passed there in the meantime. He found coins scattered all around the place. He started collecting the coins. He found only 38 ryo. He was worried that 12 ryo were missing. But he thought that he could at least explain what had happened and do something about it later. When the servant reached home, he saw his own wallet hanging from the hook by the door. Then he realized that what he had picked up was not his wallet. He sent the word order over that he had found a wallet and waited. But no one came to claim it. So finally, the money became his. With this little money, he succeeded in life because he was honest.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.